Hello everyone, welcome back to the HBNet Agency YouTube channel. I hope everybody is doing great. And today is all about the Canva tutorial of this week. And today we will design a new arrival product. So friends, let's start designing. So first of all, I'll design the background of this poster. So friends, as you know, I always tell you that if you want to know the name of the elements which I am using inside the poster, I recommend you to watch the entire video. Okay, so let's do it. Next, what I will do, I will just put a text inside it. So I'll do add a text box and I'll write like new arrival. Okay, I'll just take it here and I'll just duplicate it. Okay, just do it like this and again go to position and make both this word a group. Now just duplicate it once again and put it in a proper way. Just duplicate it so that it covers the entire poster. Okay, my dear friends. Now you can see the poster is almost covered. Next, I'll take all the words, whatever inside the poster, and again I'll just group them and I'll extend it in all the sides. Okay, in this way I'll just extend it. Okay, my dear friends. Next, I'll just go to text color. I'll just select this color, white, and I'll go to transparency and I'll reduce the transparency of all the colors. So friends, I think this much transparency is looking good, or I'll reduce it little bit. Now I'll just go to elements once again and I'll put this frame inside it. Okay, so let's do it and I'll just extend it in all the ends. Okay, so let's do like this and I'll select a city with a road. Just pull this image inside the frame and it will come perfectly. Okay, now I'll select another frame. Just pull it like this and you do it like this. Okay, and again you just go to this color and put this color. Okay, now reduce the transparency of this color so that the road becomes visible. Okay, so friends, I think this much is looking fine. What do you think? So I think this is good, right? Okay, now let me do one thing. I'll put the new arrival product. That is, let's go to elements and I'll just click this bicycle. Okay, and I'll just go to edit image and I'll just remove the background. And what I will do, I will just put the bicycle like this. Now, friends, what I will do, I'll just put a shadow so that it doesn't look that the bicycle is flying in the air. Okay, just put it like this. Let's go to position and just pull this shadow behind the bicycle. Okay, now I have kept some things ready. That is, I have to add some text. So let's add a text box and I'll write like write with and I'll just make it small and I'll put it like this just goes to text color and make this text color this one. Okay. Now, again what I will do, I'll just duplicate this. Okay. So, I'll write like your soul. See, this is a spelling mistake. Yes. So, this is fine. Just make it a little bit big so that it becomes visible and just align it with this. Now you can make it italics. Now what I will do, my dear friends, I'll select a rectangle and I'll just pull it backside to this one. Okay, and I will just make it small so to the size of the word. Okay, my dear friends. Now, and I will make this color this one. So you can see the word is not visible. For that, what we can do, we can go to positions and we will take this color and change the color to white. Okay. Now, the next thing what I will do is I have keep some things ready. That is, I will add the properties of this bicycle. So let's copy this text and I'll just paste it here like this. Okay, just make it a little bit big. And the next side is the offer creation, which I will do. So let's design it. So for that, I'll select this one. You can see this is called a rounded square. Okay, I will just pull it like this. And again, I will just take a rectangle and I'll place it above like this. This is a offer creation box. Okay. Now I'll just change the color of this one to white. Next, again I'll take a shadow so that the offer creation box will look little bit natural and I can reduce the height of this offer creation box. Okay. From like this to little bit, I can just reduce this. Okay. For that, I'll just take it like this. Okay. Now let's go to position. Now I will drag this shadow behind this rounded square. Okay, my dear friends. You can see that this is little bit up. So I'll just pull it down. You can see that this has been grouped. So let's put it Command Z and I'll go to position and I will make it ungrouped. Okay. Now I'll just pull it little bit downward. Okay, my dear friends. And I will again go to position and I will group these three things. Just group it and pull it downwards so that we can get enough space between all the elements. Okay, just pull it like this and I'll just create the offer. I'll again do what? I'll just duplicate this one and I will write like limited time offer. As you can see, nothing is visible. So in that case, what I will do, I'll just take this white color and I'll just unfold it. Okay. Just make it little bit big and pull it inside the middle. Okay, my dear friends. So next, I will again duplicate it and I'll just give a time period like this is August month. So I will write like August. Now you can see the text color and I'll make it as black. Okay. For the month of August, this offer is going on. You can put like little bit gap between this August, and you can make sure that it is in the middle. Okay. Now is the time when I write the price. Just duplicate this once again and make this color as this one and make it bold. Okay. And write rupees. Just pull it this side and again duplicate it and just make it big. Write like 7,999 and this is the price. As you can see, this is going out. So in that case, we will just reduce the size and I'll make it aligned with the price tag. So this is a limited time offer for the month of August. Now, the next thing, I'll add the website title. For that case, I'll again go to elements. I'll select a rounded rectangle. I'll just pull it downwards like this and I will extend it in both the ends. Okay, just pull a little bit downwards. And the thing is that I'll just add a text box, and I'll write like, give the website URL. Okay, now just unbold it, make it very small and make it white color and just pull it. As you can see, just put command. Okay, or in case of Windows you can do Control Z. Okay, just pull this hbnetagency.com or the URL of the company here, or just and change the color to this one so it comes according to the post. Now I'll just give a call button. Okay, so in that case I'll add a call icon. So I like to take this calling icon. I'll just make it this color and I'll just make it small size and I'll just drag it like this here, this side, and make it very small. Just make it aligned with the other things and just duplicate it and give your calling number. Just put it like a dummy number and just make it bold and just make it big so that it is easily visible, and also change this color to this one. Okay, my dear friends, and I'll put it like this side. So you can see that our poster is ready, but before that I'll just add this arrow and I'll just put it like this. I'll just make the arrow color as black and I'll just flip it vertically so that the qualities of this bicycle is pointed out. Now the remaining thing which is left is adding the logo. You can see that this one has shifted, so in that case I'll just pull it back and I will see that it's located in the perfect area and it's perfect. Now I'll just duplicate the logo of the company and put it like this and I'll just keep it here. And I can see the design is ready. What do you think? Yeah. So our design is ready, my dear friends. So this is also a very easy design. You can practice in your home. You can give us the reviews. You can also tell like whether you are liking the design or not. You can put your valuable comments in the comment section. And you can also say like what type of design you want to see the next. So I hope everybody will practice this simple design at your home. Till then, This is Nijum signing off from HBNet agency. Thank you, bye, and have a wonderful day ahead.